What to do if water pipes are frozen? Frozen pipes are a serious issue because they could break, resulting in potentially expensive pipe repair or replacement costs. If your pipes are frozen, you need to turn on the faucet to allow water an exit point as they thaw. This helps your plumbing system thaw faster as well. You can wrap an electronic heating pad around a frozen section of pipe to speed up thawing. Never leave the heating pad unattended, as doing so is a fire hazard. Another way you could thaw your pipes is by wrapping hot towels around them. Never use any type of open flame device to thaw your plumbing system, and you should avoid using a space heater too. In some situations, you'll need a professional plumber. Call Dr. Fixit Plumbing, Heating, Cooling, and Electric at 720-797-7373 for emergency plumbing services in Denver, Colorado.